INNOVV K6 Motorcycle Dashcam Review. Is this the ultimate 2K ride guardian? Ever felt stuck with a dash cam that just can't keep up with your ride? You're juggling worries about bad footage, clunky installs, or cams that die mid-ride, and it's draining your focus and motivation. Every ride feels like a gamble without reliable video proof, and scrolling through blurry clips wastes more time than it should. You want peace of mind, but cheap cams only add stress. Unreliable tech, confusing apps, and constant battery failures leave you overwhelmed and stuck in a loop of frustration. Now imagine the stress piling up, crushing deadlines for insurance claims, missed moments of truth after a crash, and that creeping burnout from trying to protect yourself with subpar gear. Every ride becomes nerve-wracking because your current cam can't handle rain, heat, or rough roads. That sinking feeling of missed opportunities to prove your case or capture your epic ride. It's real, and it's brutal. Without the right camera, you're leaving your safety and peace of mind hanging by a thread. Enter the INNOVV K6 Motorcycle Dashcam, the breakthrough dual-channel system built for riders who demand crystal-clear, reliable protection. Front camera shoots in stunning 2K Quad HD, 2560 by 1440, with Sony Starvis sensor for jaw-dropping day and night clarity, while the rear packs sharp 1080p footage. Its full aluminum body is IP67 waterproof, ready to survive storms, dust, and dirt. The Supercapacitor tech crushes battery overheating and lasts in brutal temps, -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Easy install, no seat disassembly needed. Plus, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi app control, G-sensor locking, and loop recording mean every ride is documented perfectly. This is smart, durable, and rider-approved peace of mind, designed to keep you safe and sound. Imagine effortless rides with footage so clear, you'll relive every mile like it's a Hollywood production. Riders rave about the K6's durability and crisp night vision. Captured a hit and run in perfect detail, says a commuter, while an adventure rider swears it survived a thunderstorm unscathed. With loop recording and auto-lock for incidents, you won't lose crucial footage. The IP67 waterproof rating and tough aluminum chassis mean no weather can stop this cam, while built-in GPS logs your speed and route for unbeatable evidence. From the casual cruiser to the hardcore off-roader, users love the hassle-free installation and app-controlled footage review. Curious why it's the talk of motorcycle forums and vlogs? Tune in and see how the K6 delivers top-tier protection with zero compromises on quality or style. Limited supply alert. This isn't your average bike cam sitting on shelves. Join thousands of savvy riders who've upgraded to the INNOVV K6 and never looked back. Don't wait until an accident or bad weather catches you off guard. Secure your peace of mind today and experience next-level ride documentation with waterproof durability, 2K clarity, and supercapacitor reliability. Act now. Your ride deserves nothing less than the best. Don't just ride, ride protected. Seize this chance and win your safety back.